Pharaoh.
Every day is Halloween, every day is Halloween. No chill, no chill. I won't fuck with no chill niggas. Got the power, we can kill niggas. Every day is Halloween, nigga. Fuck around and make you scream, nigga. Glock party, bitch. We should tell them niggas pop out. Since you want some other shit, we might get you knocked out. Glock party, bitch. Got to switch when I rock out. If you like work, I might make a nigga park out. Still on that bitch and shit. Grab your pole and rip some shit. You can bitch ammo with the mention shit. I'll smack your ass with grits and shit. Don't play bitch if you don't play right. I'm way too bright like a wino light. Don't say it twice, I feel like biggins. Now the body's got me digging. In the party all alone with the Glock out. Niggas waiting for me, telling me to pop out. If you ain't in my lane, don't be swerving. I got your bitch with me, probably cause I'm serving. That nigga thinking tough like he on some biff shit. I hit his ass R3 like a hit stick. That's when he thinking ow, trying to dip shit. That's when his body like a statue, take a pic, bitch. You ain't got no time, gang, when they pop out. It's a Glock party, y'all my niggas pop out. If she ain't sucking dick, tell her hop out. Janitor, bucket sticks, and a mop out. Glock party, bitch, we should tell them niggas pop out. Since you know some other shit, we might get you knocked out. Glock party, bitch, gotta switch when I rock out. If you like work, I might make a nigga clock out.
Motherfucker grab me the semi-auto. Slam, big my driver, got the clock out. Hollin' out free time, Malo. You know we riding back on bullshit, no doubt. I ain't playing no fucking games, I'm shutting shit down. That way your bitch give me her brains, how relax me, gon' still packing out. I still feel like killing something after I bust in the mouth. Talking free smoke, pussy come out. Drop it low, see what the smoke about. Bring your block with hollows, you know it's a Glock party now. My side got bloody shoes, like I fuck with Cardi now. If I keep on adding up scores, well, I'ma put the next tally now. But who really keeping up with scores, you really see we talking about. Niggas big shooters till they really tell it, tell me now. Motherfucker talk about they gon' shoot me, I'm still thugging it out. I tell the clean to fuck up your fuss. I don't believe in that hype, cut it out.
Glock party, bitch, we should tell them niggas pop out. Glock party, bitch, we should tell them niggas pop out. Glock party, bitch, we should tell them niggas pop out. Glock party, bitch, we should tell them niggas pop out. I won't fuck with no chill niggas. Got the power that can kill niggas. Glock party,